back to my channel, and if you're new here, please subscribe for craft tutorials, DIYs, and hauls. And don't forget to press the notification bell to be notified of all my new videos. So today we're going to be making a DIY hippie headband. It's really easy. It'd be perfect for a Halloween costume, or if you would like to wear it year-round, it will work for that too. So if you're interested, please keep watching. Okay, so the things you're going to need is a hot glue gun, your glue sticks, scissors, multiple colors of ribbon, at least 3 or 4, and then you're also going to need some flowers to glue on your headband. These are just like the flat paper flowers I got from Michael's. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to be making, obviously, a hippie headband. So we're going to be taking our ribbon and we're going to be braiding it. Okay, so you're going to be measuring your ribbon around your head, obviously, because you want it to fit your head. So it kind of is going to depend on how long you want it to be. I would suggest measuring length at least 2 times around your head, up to 3 times if you want it longer, and that's what I'm going to do. So this is just like where I measured around my head. So I'm just going to go ahead and do 3 times that amount of length. Okay, so I've got my 3 pieces, which is 3 head lengths, which is pretty long. If you don't want yours as long, you could do 2 head lengths. But I would recommend at least doing 2 so you have enough slack, especially for your flowers and everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take I'm going to kind of divide it in half and kind of wrap it around my head and measure, kind of make it even on the ends. But I want to measure around my head and maybe give a little bit of slack, a couple inches of slack, I don't know if you can see. And then this is going to be, the area around my head is where I'm going to be braiding it. Okay, so now that you've selected your braided area, you're going to be knotting it. So I'm going to make a knot at the first part where I'm going to start braiding. Okay, so I'm going to make a knot here. If you want, you can use tape or something. So I'm just going to tape this on my table and braid it. Sorry, this isn't a braiding tutorial, but if you don't know how to braid, you can probably find out on YouTube. I'm just going to braid my section quickly. It doesn't have to be perfect. If you want it to be tight, then make it tight. If you want it loose, make it loose. Okay, so just braid the area around your head. When you've completed the braid that's long enough to go around your head, then you go ahead and tie another knot. Okay, so I've braided it to the length of my head and then I knotted it at the end. The next step is going to be adding your flowers. This little 4-pack from Michael's, I think it was like $2 or something. They're just paper flowers. They're flat on the back so you can glue it on. I'm going to remove these and add a couple on my braid. Okay, so you can do that however you like, but for me, I'm going to try and do one in the center. So how I'm going to figure out the center is I'm going to take my 2 knots of my braided area and put them together, and then I'm just going to put one right here to be like in the center of my head. I guess I'll just do this one, and then go ahead and put some glue on the back of the flower. And you're going to add it to your braid. Okay, and then I think I'm just going to add 2 more. And I'll just do all the pink ones. So I'm just going to do the same thing. Oh, that glue came up. Just add a little glue to this little pad in the center. I'm just going to stick it, probably not all the way on the ends. This is the end, like where the back of my head is going to be. So probably like here would be good. Let that dry. And then I'll do the other pink one, try and do about the same. Just kind of space them out evenly. Just add a little glue. And then I'll just go ahead and stick it, oops, on here. If you can see. I'm just sticking like that. Okay, so the headband is complete. Let's go ahead and try it on. Okay, so I've got my headband with my little flowers glued on. I'm going to go ahead and try it on. So it just kind of depends on how you want to wear it. You're just going to take it, go ahead and tie it in the back. Okay, so there is your super easy hippie headband for Halloween or whatever time of year you would like it for. If you want to add more flowers, you can. And then you got the little strands hanging in the back. You can see. But like I said, I did mine 3 times my hair length, or the width of my head, so it's longer. It's pretty long. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Check out all my social media links below, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.